Well, I'm at an undisclosed location in the Bay Area, and my customer wanted to show me his Christmas tree and take a look at that beauty there. But what I'm doing is I'm dropping off. You saw me repair this radio for this customer. He's got it set up here on his dining room table. And then this is the same VCR that I repaired, replaced the fan and did all the work to. But he's like, you've got to have your wife and daughter come in and look at this tree. Unbelievable.
Plywood on here so it doesn't flop around.
I mean, look at this
So
thing.
did you decorate it?
Yes, I asked him.
All by yourself?
Well, all by ourselves. We have a 12-foot ladder in the garage, and my wife, she likes to do the climbing and place
bless
the
her
garments.
heart, it's beautiful.
So anyway, it's something her family
Check this
is.
out.
This is her
CRT
family
TV.
house, and this is something that they've done for
Those were good sets. They actually lasted quite a while. Obviously, it's still working.
I don't know how
Right.
Here it is, January the 5th, 2024.
Gorgeous. Well,
But
this
just
was
look at this
definitely worth
beautiful
coming
tree.
in for.
Okay, well, I just wanted to, I thought you might
Yes, oh, I love
be a
Christmas
nice
trees.
break from the trip.
Yes.
Right.
Very beautiful.
Thank you. And
Very
you're,
beautiful.
you're
Tracy.
Tracy, and you are
My name is Cricket.
Cricket.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
And so this is Mike.
Hi.
Hi. You'll be on my channel,
Thank you.
but I just had to show
I'm a
you.
ham radio operator too, by the way, folks. ND6.
I am a ham radio as well.
Ah.
KB6. I will edit that out.
All right. Well, you can edit that one. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, but
Okay, well, we'll just pause the ham radio stuff. We're both hams.
yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can edit.
I'm
those.
sure you're probably an extra class. I'm only a, what they call
Yeah,
a
but
tech,
you know how to
tech plus.
fix things, which
Yeah,
is much better.
I never upgraded, unfortunately.
No, I haven't. Well, now that the sunspots are up, then you can talk to other
Well,
countries.
it was nice meeting you.
Anyway.
Yeah, but check out that TV. That is so cool. Sharp picture tube
I
TV.
heard them outside.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Okay, well, we got to get on the road and get to Santa Cruz. So I showed everybody the radio on there and the VCR on the table.
Okay.
Nice meeting you again, Mike.
Thank you, Steve.
And if you
Good
need
luck.
more work, I'll be coming down to the Santa Cruz area occasionally.
Gotcha. All right.
All right, have a
Thank
great
you
day.
very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Well, my youngest suggested we try this place, Taqueria Vallarta, in Santa Cruz. So, I already made an order. And I think this is off Sokol, or SoCal, as some people call it. But nice little area of town. Got an order. They're working on it. Hopefully in a few minutes it'll be ready. Get some food. Take it easy. I'll show you the menu once I get in there. Well, we are officially in Santa Cruz at my youngest apartment house. Nice little area, beachfront over there. Syntex guy here doing something. Fire, looks like. Extinguishers, suppression, alarms, exit lighting, and sprinklers. All right, so we are gonna head up to Scotts Valley, where we spend the night because they accept pets. Because we do have the doggos. Back here, you stay. And once again, another trip in the $700 Mercury Mountaineer. Of course, I think we've got more than $700 into it by now. And we are at 181,764, running perfect. Got about 20,000 miles on the timing set since we put it in there. The tires are wearing fabulously. As you can tell, we've had it off-road just a little tiny bit. But yeah, working great.